Something like this, yes. Against the light.
Attorney, how was your social event last night together with Attorney Nicholas Kaufman?
We came late kasi meron din
Okay. I see. Perfect, sir.
Where's my light?
No, gusto mo? Ay, wait lang. Gusto daw niya. Oh, ice cream ba yan?
Yes.
Gusto daw nila ice cream, sir.
Siya lang.
Baka dadating din sila. Nakita mo?
Meron pa
First
tayong
time.
soup. Meron yung soto soup.
Tinutulungan pa nga niya. Tinutulungan pa. Buti na nakita.
Oh, I'm so happy. You know how much is this? 250. Yeah?
Kaya pala mahal. Nakita ko man kanina doon sa table na inaiwan sa table. Attorney, meron pong ice cream, sir. Merong ice cream. Sige, kakain daw siya ng ice cream. Dessert kasi ng ano sila. Ano daw yung flavor ng ice cream mo, ate?
Pistache and
Salted caramel?
salted caramel.
Dito po ako muna.
Okay. Okay.
Grabe, ang ganda ng sense of fashion ni Sir Josh. Super high fashion. Talaga. Welcome po sa Netherlands, sir. Yeah, parang ano. First time nyo ba dito, sir, sa Duterte Street?
I'm excited for the ice cream. How are you today?
Okay lang, sir. I'm really enjoying the weather kasi first sun sa winter.
Kaya yung mga Dutch friends ko,
Talaga.
totoo eh.
Kaya nag-t-shirt lang din ako kasi sobrang... Si sir nga, adapt na adapt niya yung weather talaga.
Pinakilala ko si attorney kahapon sa yung friend ko na trabaho sa Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Duterte Street.
No, actually, pangalawa na ito.
Di ba sabi mo yung
September nandito ako eh.
Pero nandun kayo sa harap? Yung
Sa harap.
Convention Center?
Sa harap saka sa sentro.
Okay. What do you plan to do today?
Wala, di mamamasyal lang. Pahinga eh.
Walang hearing.
Walang hearing.
Expectation tomorrow, attorney.
Well, the defense will present its rebuttal. So, maganda siguro yun. Bukan.
You're still raising the issue on jurisdiction, di ba? Yesterday, nung
Yeah,
interview.
kasi until now, it's still pending appeal eh. Di ba? Wala pa silang final resolution. At saka kahit na nagkaroon sila ng resolution na may jurisdiction sila, I will insist that it has no jurisdiction because of the principle of complementarity.
How will you do that? How will you insist?
Wala tayong magagawa. Maybe you can go to the United Nations.
Is that an option?
As far as I'm concerned, it is.
How do you do that?
Yan, hindi ko
What's
pa
the
alam kung
procedure?
paano. Hindi ko pa alam. We will have to study how to.
Pero you're looking into it.
Me, yes.
Did you get any advice? Also, I mean, as the family.
Wala pa eh. We haven't talked kasi formally regarding because the Filipino team was only created, I think, the day before we arrived. Kaya wala pa. Very informal.
Pero hindi niyo pa po nabanggit kay Atty. Kaufman
Dali.
yung
Hindi pa kami nagkakausap eh. It was a social dinner event.
ano yung usapan niyo kagabi?
Wala. Actually, we were talking about the health of the president. Kami lang kami worried.
Tell us more about that.
Sabi ni Attorney Kaufman, talagang may problema yung cognitive function niya eh. Kasi may nakakalimutan talaga siya.
Ano yung parang nag-uusap?
Tinanong niya raw na, who's your visitor this morning? Wala, hindi maalala. Kasi Kaya worried siya sa kanyang health. Eh, syempre, lalo na kami.